Lake County, Florida. The state attorney for Lake County wants to put a man on death row for sexual battery on a child. This is the first case where Florida's new law allows the death penalty to be used for child rape. In the case of 36-year-old Joseph Giampa, State Attorney William Gladson is requesting the death penalty. On Thursday, he was charged with multiple counts of sexual battery against a child below the age of 12 and promoting sexual performance by a minor. According to an arrest affidavit from the Lake County Sheriff's Office, video of Giampa reportedly forcing a child to perform a sex act on him was found when he was arrested. Then Giampa forced himself on the child. There is no information in the arrest report or the indictment about how the case got to the sheriff's office. A law enacted by Governor Ron DeSantis earlier this year would, under certain conditions, permit the imposition of the death penalty on child rape offenders. The case involving Giampa is the first of its kind in the state. According to Gladson's office, certain aggravating circumstances justify the death penalty in Giampa's case. According to the authorities, Giampa had an earlier conviction for a felony involving the use or threat of violence against a person. The victim was especially vulnerable due to their age. The crime was allegedly committed for financial gain, and the nature of the case was particularly heinous, atrocious, and cruel. DeSantis stated in May, when he signed the bill into law, that it establishes a potential challenge to a 2008 U.S. Supreme Court decision that deemed the use of the death penalty in cases involving minor sexual battery unconstitutional. DeSantis requests that the court reconsider that decision. DeSantis stated, "This bill establishes a process by which that precedent can be challenged, and it can be stated that Florida believes the most heinous crimes merit the most heinous punishments." DeSantis discussed the indictment on X, formerly Twitter, on Thursday. The 5th Judicial Circuit State Attorney's Office declared today that in this case of sexual battery against a minor under the age of 12, they will seek the death penalty. This will be the first case to be brought before SCOTUS in opposition to legislation that I approve that makes pedophiles punishable by death. I fully support the 5th Judicial Circuit State Attorney's Office. Follow us for more news.